This weekend, I'm here at the Blue River in Tishomingo with a couple buddies. A good buddy of mine, Will. He organized this thing, got it together, got everybody out here, and what a weekend to be out here. Already got the drone up, got it flying around, got some cool footage. Just pulled up. I think we're gonna be camping over there. Kristen's here. She's in her van. She'll come out of hiding soon. This is Will's setup. He's got a nice little camper here. Check this thing out, man. It's freaking awesome. He's got an AC. This guy spoiled himself, rotten. He got the whole setup, man. Here in a little bit, get everything good, make home for the weekend. All right. With the magic of editing, my tent shall arise. This is my crib. Welcome. We're gonna open this right here. Now, I may be on the verge of glamping just a little, but I'm still in the damn tent. It counts. Okay? I'm still roughing it. Even with my pillows and my cot and my blankets and all my gear. It's still good. Well, not much excitement today. Just get here, set up camp, relax. I'm not even gonna worry about fishing until tomorrow morning. That's when the getting's gonna be good. I got a strong feeling we're gonna have some trout for dinner tomorrow. But we got a nice little spot here. I'm gonna get a little bit of drink on, chill, enjoy the sunset, and that's it. That's the night, man. Night one down. Well, it got a little cold last night. It was all right. Wasn't too bad. We're all hoping to get enough trout to feed everybody. The limit at the Blue River is 6 trout per person. You gotta have your name tag on your stringer. Like, I got some duct tape, cut a little swivel out, wrapped around the metal part, put my name, and you have to have your license number on there too, your fishing license. I got in trouble last time I was out here, and they walk around. They do walk around here often. That's the rules. We're getting breakfast set up, all this and that. Pretty sure everybody's eating but me. So now it's my turn. And you know how I do breakfast. Same thing, all on the tortilla. It's all good, it's easy. Keep it simple when you go camping. That's it. Show y'all a little breakfast love. Boom.
No,
got the butter going.
I've been up since 5:30. Did you just...
Got chorizo.
He said there was quite a bit, but...
Boom, bada boom. Probably about that much. It's like a turd. Hi-yo!
I put my tent up. Where am I putting my tent at? Close to him. He's
Hi-yo! Little bit of pepper.
I'm gonna follow a recipe. Thank you.
If you want your ass burned, this is the stuff, people. Yep, this right here. Boom. Final touch. Boom, boom. And there we have it, people. Where's that?
Now
there
there's
it is.
only, you know,
Ooh,
up
look
there
at that.
there's only one that you can sleep in, right? Which is what I did last year. Oh, did you? Yeah. Did you stay in the one? Yeah. Okay.
That's how you camp breakfast, baby.
I like hiking over there.
And trusting me with the keys. Carolyn joined us on the trip. Hey, Carolyn.
Hi.
We all made it. Holy crap, a lot of freaking people. I guess trout fishing is kind of popular. I think this is the last weekend, I believe, you can do trout fishing. So everybody's out. Everybody out in their dog. I seen a dog around here too somewhere. Confident we'll catch something. Our group All veteran trout fishermen here. They've caught stuff in the past, and I believe in them. Ish. So we made it to our spot. It's looking fantastic. Look at that, man. Ooh. All these other fishermen, they didn't cross the stream of death that we just crossed. I mean, this guy. But yeah, there's a nice little fishing hole right there, and we're gonna catch them all, just like them Pokemon.
This is the new fishing pole we started carrying out on our kayak trips down like the Buffalo.
Incredible.
And it packs lightweight and everything.
Look at that. And now why is that twisted up right there?
Well, it's a trick, so you can hold it like this,
Yeah.
and then your line still goes out here. And now you're asking, where do I put the line at? How
Yeah,
do
yeah.
I hold it? But I usually tie it around a tooth.
Tooth? Oh.
And I just throw her out there, and you can actually sleep, because whenever you catch a fish, it kind of pulls on your tooth a little bit, and you know about it.
A little painful.
Yeah, you know, it's
Okay.
kind of like a dentist appointment in a way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, everybody likes the dentist.
Yeah, that's how you know. It works really well. Put
Wow,
it in your
brilliant.
pocket.
Brilliant.
Good to go.
That's
Right there.
yeah, it's great. Look at that. And he's professional. Look at him, man. Head to toe.
Oh, yeah.
Head to toe. That's someone you can trust. So today I'll be using these right here. Choo. These again. These worked really well last time, so fingers crossed they work this time again. They don't let me down. This, I think I got like 10-pound line on, little bitty. I think it's like a size 6 hook. Rigged up, man. There we go. Woo. Oh, nice. Get it, Will. Yep, your net. Oh, that's a nice one. Woo! Buddy.
Yeah.
Woo! Oh, he shook it. He shook it. Son of a. Woo! Yo, 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 yo. Oh, shoot. I go on the right side of you. Nice. Damn, he came off right as soon as I netted him.
Yeah.
Oh,
There's a stringer at
rather quick. I got my bag. Hold still. Quit flopping. Woohoo!
Pressure off now.
Oh god. Ooh, nice. Rooster tail, huh?
Yes, sir.
Hell yeah.
So hard not to be salty.
I know, man. No.
Is he gone?
He's right there.
Yeah. Oh well.
All right. Decent day of fishing. I caught one. It's a good size. Will caught like 3. Something like that. Hooked up with 2, but I didn't quite reel them in. So they don't count, I guess. Carolyn caught 2. Will brought in 2 big ones.
I brought the big boys home.
And I got 1, but it's, you know, it counts as 2. It's that big.
That would be mine.
That kind of looks like mine.
It's kind of my ass. Oh, sorry.
Oh, we'll just blur your face.
Oh.
No.
Hold on.
Oh, yeah. One on the left.
Oh.
Look at that chunky
Ooh,
monkey.
look at that.
Here we go.
Oh.
By the
Loose
hair.
tail.
Ooh,
Loose tail
man.
touching.
Holla. Yep.
Unless I do it like
Sorry.
this.
Roll up the sleeves, step 1. Make sure it's dead, man.
Dude, just take it, slam its head against that board.
I'm gonna hit it.
Oh, here, here. Ow! No, I'm kidding.
He did. That's how you execute fish. Cut from the behind all the way to the front hind. Where's the butthole at? Oh, it's way back here.
Back there by that back fin.
Ooh, damn, that made this sharp. Oh yeah. And then what you do here is you want to cut. Man, I forgot.
Hey, can I borrow that knife while he's playing with it?
Yeah. No, can we we'd all be done.
Supposed to cut this like that.
I mean, since
Ooh,
Caroline is like,
boom, all the guts right there, buddy.
you know,
Get out that liner, that little belly liner. Yeah, right off. Like so. So get this bloodline out here. See that? Just rub your finger upwards. Ooh. Get that crap all out. You don't want none of that. So you break that neck, do a little Randy Savage, booyah! And then put your fingers. You gotta work your fingers behind that meat right there. Get it started real good. See here, Caroline. Ah. All right. Look at that. A beautiful kind of fillet.
That is a pretty looking fish.
Yeah. See, look at that.
Tasty.
It's got some fat on it. That's gonna be all that flavor. You go primal when you clean animals. You go primal, man. Brings out the nature and human. Making trout. Got some, of course, my hickory. I'm not gonna do salt this time.
I'm right here.
Not doing salt this time. Chili powder, black pepper. That's all you need, and some butter. It's good.
I think we'll do the hush puppies first.
Turn that down a little bit. Crank it down. A little hot. Yep.
Down, inside.
Golly. Should have probably sectioned that fish up. Ooh, you will. How that turned out right there. That's ready to eat. It's gonna be good. And we got, you making hush puppies or are you doing the fish too? Oh, you doing his fish. She doing hush puppies. Oh yeah. Fish bits and hush puppies with side of ketchup. That's all you need. Good. Real good. All right. Well, as you can see, everybody is gone except for me. And I like to sleep in. I mean, it's the weekend and it's freaking, the weather is nice. It's a little gloomy today, but it's still really nice out. Good sleeping weather. So yeah, I stayed asleep. I don't like waking up early, man. I'm gonna pack up, get home, and end this adventure. Caught me one good sized trout, probably the biggest trout I've ever caught. So yeah, heck yeah, that was a good trip. That's a good trip in my book. I don't care caught anything, at least I caught something. I'm happy with that, and man, I cooked him up, and that one trout, plenty of food for me. Holy crap, over the amount of food. That's it. I'm gonna go home and unpack all this crap and do it all again next weekend. I'll catch y'all on the next trip. Peace.